Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. Here we go. We're gonna start with the hood. Now, you might be asking, why are you doing it in parts? Tell you the truth, in parts, when you paint it in parts, you get a better finish. Reason being is that you can get every single little nook and cranny of the part. When it's in the car, you're gonna miss some spots, I guarantee it. So you're better off doing it in parts if you can. If not, go ahead and do it complete. Now, also another question I've been asked, why do you hang the hood instead of putting it flat? There's two reasons. One of them, it's because when it's vertical, the dust is not gonna land. If there's dust in the air or when I'm spraying, it's not gonna land on the hood. This is a big area that whenever you put it flat, you're gonna have some little dirt nips here and there. This is a better way for it not to have a lot of dirt nips. You are gonna have some because I'm in a garage, but not a lot. Now the second reason, it's because I'll be able to paint front and back at the same time. And whenever I throw the clear, everything's gonna be wrapped around. All the clear is gonna be wrapped around. You're gonna have a better finish. All right, everything has been scuffed down. Everything has been wax and grease removed. So let's just get started. The gun I'm gonna be using for the sealer and the paint is gonna be the Welcome Carbonio 350 Light with a 1.3 tip. Let's mix up the sealer. There it is, one coat, that's all you need. And by the way, sorry I didn't post a video last weekend. I was under the weather, but we're good now. Let's just finish this. All right, 3 coats. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes and come back, start applying the clear. Right now it's about 90 degrees in here, so I'm using medium reducer for the base, and I use medium reducer for the sealer also. Now for the clear, I am gonna use medium hardener. Coming up on the next video of this 62 Impala, it's gonna be some body work. There's a part on the car that has about 1/2 inch of body filler. They did not pull that dent out, so I'm gonna be removing all that body filler, and I'll show you how to pull the dent, also how to apply the body filler. A lot of people have been asking what extractions of fan do I have. This is a 37 inch and this is a 42 inch down here. This one's pulling the air real nice. That is what I use. It's just an extraction and it's a pull style system. Okay, I do not have a fan on the back, but these two do the job real nice. All right, let's start mixing the clear, and the gun I'm gonna be using, like I mentioned before, it's the Welcome Carbonio 360 Light with a 1.2 tip and MP air cap. First coat of clear, real nice, tight, overlap. Looking good, looking like a mirror. And this is the first coat. I am gonna put 4 coats. Reason being, I am gonna flow coat it. But, nice and straight. All right, it's been like about 5 hours that I finished spraying the 4th coat of clear. And there it is. Like a mirror. But this is not the final result. I still need to wet sand it, block sand the clear, apply 1 or 2 more coats of clear. That'll be the flow coat. You'll have a mirror finish. There it is. Guys, thank you very much. Let me show you the back. Right there. Thank you very much. This will be it for this video. Next video, it's going to be interesting. Going to be fixing that that cracking on that body filler that it has. But that'll be in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Hit the links below. Help me out if you can so I can make some more videos. And guys, like always, this will be it. Thank you and God bless.